It is not an awkward or acknowledged experience for them.
Counting at all voting stations is now complete, and we have results, copies of the results at our local offices. The process underway is capturing them onto our system for tallying and eventual seat calculation. So far, 71.76 results have been captured.
May I request those who are asking questions to please stand up for cameras? It's not me. Yeah.
The meeting of the National Assembly. I wish to thank you. The Commission will declare the results of this election sometime over the weekend, after which the list of elected representatives will be published in the Government Gazette and thereafter handed over to the Chief Justice for purposes of convening the first meeting of the National Assembly.